Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following our journey to enhance your English fluency, you're in for a treat today. In the last two videos, we covered 20 daily phrasal verbs, and today we're diving into part 3 of our series, bringing you even more essential verbs that will take your English to the next level. So let's not waste any time and get started. Our first phrasal verb is catch up. Repeat, catch up. Catch up. Catch up. It means to get up to date or reconnect with someone. It means to reach the same level or progress as somebody or something that was ahead. It's about closing the gap. It's about covering what you've missed, being on par with others. For example, I need to catch up with the latest news. Next, we have sort out. Repeat, sort out. Sort out. Sort out. When you sort out data, you're putting it in order, like tidying up a messy room by putting things in the correct place. For example, I like sorting out my data alphabetically. It's easier for me to make sense of it. Next, we have come across. Repeat, come across. Come across. Come across. It means to find or discover something by chance, unexpectedly, to encounter something in an unplanned way. For instance, I came across an interesting article while surfing the internet. Next verb is totally vital for you to learn. It's the verb back up. Repeat, back up. Back up. Back up. It means to support or provide evidence for a claim or argument, to strengthen what you're saying. For example, make sure to back up your arguments with facts. It also means to create a copy of your computer files or data in another location, like in an external hard drive or cloud storage. This is done in case your original files are deleted. So make sure to back up your passwords. Moving on to figure out. Repeat, figure out. Figure out. Figure out. It means to find a solution for a problem or a puzzle. It also means to understand something through thinking. For example, we need to figure out a solution for that problem. I have the interesting verb given. Repeat, given. 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 It means to surrender or yield to a request or pressure. It's like when you agree to do something even though you may have had different thoughts or opinions. Accepting or doing what other people wish or demand. For example, after a long debate, he finally gave in to their demands. It means he accepted what they wanted. Next verb, look up to. Repeat, look up to. Look up to. Look up to. When you look up to someone, you admire or respect them in high regards. You really respect them, value their characters, achievements, qualities, everything. For example, I always look up to my older sister as a role model. Next verb is show up, and it is a straightforward. Repeat, show up. Show up. Show up. When you show up, you are present and have arrived at a special location. You are physically present in somewhere. It means to arrive or appear at an event or a meeting. For example, if you have a job interview, make sure to show up on time. Moving on to the phrasal verb put up with. Repeat, put up with, put up with, put up with, put up with. It is used to describe enduring or tolerating a difficult or unpleasant situation or person. It's like showing patience in the face of difficulty. Imagine you have an annoying coworker, but you continue working with them. It means you are putting up with their behavior. The situation is unpleasant, but you are managing it. And finally, come up with. Repeat, come up with, come up with, come up with. It means to think of, produce, create, or invent an idea, solution, or plan. For example, we need to come up with a creative concept for the project. It means we have to generate a new concept, producing something out of our thoughts, bringing something new into existence. Congratulations! You've just learned 10 essential daily phrasal verbs. Believe me, using them in your daily conversation will definitely upgrade your English fluency. So make sure to practice them and apply them in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get a notification. Use your time and jump into one of these videos here and improve your English. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.